Today, I'll show you how to connect your Shopify form to Klaviyo, making it easier than ever to manage your customer data and email campaigns. Connecting these two powerful platforms can help streamline your marketing efforts and ensure that your email list is always up to date with your latest Shopify subscribers. Whether you're just getting started with Shopify and Klaviyo, or you're looking to optimize your existing setup, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, let's dive into Klaviyo. Once you're logged into your Klaviyo account, head over to the integrations section. This is where all the magic happens, allowing Klaviyo to communicate with other platforms like Shopify. You'll see a variety of options here, but for our purposes today, we're going to focus on finding and selecting Shopify. This integration is key because it allows you to pull your Shopify customer data directly into Klaviyo, giving you the tools to create more targeted and effective email marketing campaigns. After selecting Shopify, navigate to the sync settings. Here, you'll want to look for the tab labeled From Shopify. This is where you'll configure how your Shopify data is brought into Klaviyo. It's important to pay close attention here because this is where we'll set up the automatic syncing of your email subscribers. Next, you'll see a checkbox option to sync your Shopify email subscribers to Klaviyo. Make sure to check this box. By doing so, you're essentially telling Klaviyo to automatically pull in the email addresses of anyone who subscribes through your Shopify store. This is crucial for keeping your email marketing list up to date without any manual intervention, saving you time and ensuring that no subscriber slips through the cracks. Now, let's move on to selecting the right email list for your new subscribers. You'll see a drop-down menu where you can choose your main email list. This is the list where all your Shopify subscribers will be added. If you have multiple email lists in Klaviyo, think about which one makes the most sense for your Shopify subscribers. Maybe you have a list specifically for new customers, or perhaps you want them to join your general newsletter list. Select the list that aligns best with your marketing strategy. Once you've made your choice, simply click Save. And there you have it. You've successfully connected your Shopify form to Klaviyo. By completing these steps, you've ensured that every new subscriber from your Shopify store is automatically added to your Klaviyo email list. This integration not only saves you time, but also enhances the accuracy of your email marketing efforts, allowing you to engage with your customers more effectively. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Regularly check back into your Klaviyo account to ensure that the integration is running smoothly. Occasionally, updates or changes to either Shopify or Klaviyo might require you to revisit your settings. Staying on top of these can prevent any disruptions in your email marketing flow. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you're now ready to leverage the power of integrated data from Shopify and Klaviyo. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on optimizing your e-commerce tools. See you in the next video.